Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shelly. If you're new here, karibu sana to our YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be going to travel to Nairobi, and I'm going to take you guys with me. So I'm currently at the SGR, and I want to show you what the inter-county train stops, how many times it stops and how many times it goes. So come on and let's board this together. So to travel with, I am in my long simple pants and a top. I have one bag, though I have another one that I'm carrying with my friend, and another one, small one. I don't know how to travel, by the way. I realized that I always have so many things. So let us go and check with the security. The security, actually, let me take my mask off. The security here is very strict, guys. So usually they have the dog sniffing your things. You have to be searched. Then the dog sniff your things. Then there is that machine where you have to put your things. And then when you move in, there is another. You print your ticket. There is another check spot. And then finally you are allowed to move in. So I'm going to show you all that, guys. Apart from the sniffing, you have to put your phone in the bag. So I don't know if I'm going to really show you that, but I'm going to try it, guys. So let's move. Hi guys, so we just printed the tickets. I'm traveling with somebody, so let's get to the last check-in point. So we are in the building. Currently, we've decided let us take breakfast. We'll take a breakfast here. I don't know what's the name, but Nashville. So let's have some breakfast before we leave.
Air passengers, welcome aboard. We're leaving Mombasa terminus. The next station is Mariakani. The arrival time is 26 minutes past 8 a.m. We'll stop for 2 minutes. Tuondoka kituo cha Mombasa. Kituo kinachofuata ni kituo cha Mariakani. Tutawasili saa 2 dakika 26. Tutasimama kwa muda wa dakika 2. All passengers welcome aboard will stop at the following intermediate stations: Mariakani, Nyasenye Voi, Mtito and Kibwezi, Emali, and at the river. Our terminal station is Nairobi. Head arrival time is 10 minutes past 2 p.m. Hija wapendwa, karibuni kwenye gari letu linaloelekea Nairobi. Tutasimama kituo cha Mariakani, Nyasenye Voi, Mtito and Kibwezi, Emali, Athi River. Kituo chetu cha mwisho kituo cha Nairobi. Tutawasili saa 8:10.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
yeah, guys, so that will be it. And we are currently at Nairobi. Behind me is the exit, and after that, just going to take the next train to town, and then from town to home. Yeah, that's it. Apparently, was a train, and I was in coach 10. And thank you for traveling with me. Now let me show you the next train that goes to Nairobi. Yeah. So guys, I am really tired, and this will be it for this video. We currently at okay, let me keep my phone like this. We currently in Nairobi terminus, the last place, not Syokimau but Nairobi. And we currently, guys, we're leaving now through that exit. And thank you for watching till the end. Okay, subscribe and hit that like button and let me know what I should be improving on my next video. Bye.